Myth alert. You don't need a design degree, a warehouse of inventory, or a fat wallet to launch a t-shirt empire in 2025. What if I told you your next side hustle could explode into a six-figure brand? All from your couch, a laptop, and the same tools you're using to binge Netflix right now? In this video, I'm ripping open the playbook to start a no-inventory, no-experience t-shirt business in record time. We're talking print-on-demand magic, niche hacking secrets, and $0 marketing tricks that'll have strangers slapping cash on your designs. Stick around. By the end, you'll be armed with the exact steps to turn your wildest t-shirt ideas into a profit machine. Spoiler: your dorm room, Wi-Fi, and a few wild ideas? That's all the capital you need. Why t-shirt businesses work? T-shirt businesses are booming for a reason. The startup costs are surprisingly low. Thanks to print-on-demand services, you can launch with less than $100. There's also never-ending demand for custom apparel, whether it's tied to pop culture, personal identity, or niche communities. Some of today's most successful t-shirt brands like Cotton Bureau or Wildfang started from scratch and grew by tapping into clever, relatable, or trending designs. If they can do it, you can too, with the right strategy. Step 1. Picking your niche. The first step is finding your niche. This is absolutely crucial. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific group of people, like gamers, pet lovers, mental health advocates, or even fans of a specific TV show or meme. These focused audiences are easier to reach and more likely to buy from you. You can use free tools like Google Trends, Etsy Search, or TikTok hashtags to see what's currently popular. Even better, ask your followers or post a poll in a Reddit community. This helps validate that people actually want what you're planning to sell before you spend time and money designing it. Step 2. Sourcing your production. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to think about how you'll produce your shirts. There are two main paths: print on demand or bulk printing. If you're just getting started, print on demand is the way to go. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Guten allow you to upload your designs, and they'll handle everything from printing to shipping, so you don't have to worry about inventory or storage. On the other hand, bulk printing can be more cost-effective if you already have a strong local audience or want more control over quality. Local screen printers often offer discounts if you order 50 or more shirts at a time. No matter which route you choose, aim for high-quality, comfortable fabrics. Today's buyers care about sustainability too, so consider using eco-friendly materials like organic cotton or bamboo blends to attract premium customers. Step 3. Designing your shirts. Now comes the creative part: designing your shirts. If you've got an eye for design, you can use platforms like Canva, Adobe Spark, or Kittl to create your artwork. These tools offer ready-made templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. If design isn't your strong suit, don't stress. There are thousands of freelance designers on Fiverr or 99 Designs who can bring your idea to life for as little as $10 to $50 per design. Just make sure your designs are unique. Avoid using copyrighted material like logos or celebrity images. Instead, stick to royalty-free graphics or create original concepts that truly resonate with your audience. Step 4. Building your online store. With your designs ready, it's time to set up shop. If you want full control over your brand, go with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Shopify is beginner-friendly and offers beautiful templates for just $29 a month. If you prefer less setup and want instant exposure, selling on Etsy, Redbubble, or Amazon Merch might be the better choice. These platforms already have millions of active users looking for unique t-shirts. When uploading your products, make sure to write SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. Think funny cat t-shirts for pet lovers instead of just cool t-shirt. And use mock-up tools like Placeit to create professional-looking product photos without needing a photo shoot. Step 5. Setting prices and profits. Next up, pricing. With print on demand, your base cost per shirt will be around $8 to $15, depending on the material and the platform you choose. After adding in marketing costs and platform fees, you should aim to price your shirts between $25 and $40 to earn a healthy profit. Don't be afraid to test bundle deals or offer free shipping on orders over a certain amount to encourage bigger purchases. A buy two, get one free offer or a simple free shipping over $50 banner can significantly increase your average order value. Step 6. Marketing your brand. Now that your store is live, it's time to get the word out. Start by creating content that tells your brand story. Short TikToks or Instagram Reels showing the design process. Packaging your first order or wearing your shirts in real life can all build interest organically. Reach out to micro-influencers with niche audiences who align with your brand and offer them a free shirt in exchange for a shout-out. If you've got a bit of a budget, run targeted Facebook or Instagram ads focused on your specific audience, like fans of Marvel, mental health awareness, or streetwear fashion. And don't forget to build a community. Email your customers, start a loyalty program, or run design contests to keep people engaged and coming back. Overcoming challenges. Every business has its challenges, and the t-shirt industry is no different. One of the biggest is standing out in a crowded market. The best way to overcome that is by getting hyper-specific with your niche. Don't just sell shirts, sell funny quotes for plant dads or anime-inspired fitness tees. Inventory can be another worry, but that's why starting with print on demand is so smart. You only produce shirts when someone buys. As for shipping costs, offer free shipping over a certain threshold to make it worth it for the customer and still profitable for you. Real success stories. Need proof that this can really work? Just look at brands like The Hundreds, which grew from a simple streetwear blog into a multi-million-dollar business by dropping limited edition shirts. Or creators on Teespring who are pulling in $12,000 a month just by selling clever meme-based designs. Even local sellers like a mom-and-pop shop that created school merch for a nearby district are pulling in an extra $5,000 a month in profit. These aren't unicorns. They're just people who found the right niche and committed to consistent action. Tools and resources. Throughout this journey, the right tools can make a huge difference. For designing, stick with Canva, Kittl, or Placeit. For printing and fulfillment, go with Printful or Printify if you're starting lean. And for marketing, apps like Hootsuite and platforms like Google Keyword Planner can help you plan and post smarter. Shopify collabs can even help you find creators who will promote your shirts. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to launch a t-shirt business from scratch in 2025. You don't need a warehouse, a marketing team, or even a massive budget. All you need is a clear niche, a few great designs, and the drive to learn and grow. Here's what I want you to do next. Start simple. Pick one niche. Create 3 to 5 designs. Launch your store on a print-on-demand platform. Test demand, learn what works, and then reinvest your profits to grow from there. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me your t-shirt brand idea. I want to hear what you're working on and help you turn it into a reality.